What's up guys, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we're showing you the 2.5 SSD SATA hard drive enclosure. So this is going to be used with our 1 TB SSD drive, and I'm pretty excited because this is a see-through clear enclosure. So they supply you with the 3.0 cable, little manual, and then you got the enclosure. Now, why I went with clear is because we're going to be using it with our RGB Delta T-Force SSD drive. So we want to be able to see the color of the drive, and it's pretty cool that you can see inside. Alright, as we open it up, we can see that all we do is slide our card right in here, just like that, and we place it down inside. So it fits perfectly, looks really awesome as well. And now we can go ahead and place the cover back over. Just like that. Now it's protected and we can see the color. And of course we can go ahead then and plug this in, and then plug this into our computer.